Welcome back to my next stream of Star Technology. Create factory logistics run. Last stream, quite a lot of progress. This entire setup of the first few LV components, the LV circuits. Then here variable, the bender, lathe, and the macerator here. Here's the LV machines area. But unfortunately, I had too less rubber and the latex was getting low. So I was starting the next project while waiting for latex production. And that is going to be the steam power plant. Charcoal is made here with the logs incoming from the wood farm with Tom's Simple Storage mod. And these will be put into the boiler, into the burners with the mechanical arm, powering the boiler. And I think level 9 boilers were the maximum I can build with the setup. So that means I can put 8 more of these steam engines. I will put them on top. And then on top of this building, there will be some carbon brushes to produce the electricity. Like so. And also a small area for power storage, because I need to still make at least one of them, this redstone flux cell frame, and then alloy smelt them into this. So I actually also need an alloy smelter. I don't have one yet. And what I forgot to already prepare is magnetite dust, because these blocks here need magnetite dust. And right now I was just smelting the crushed magnetite for iron ingots, but now I actually need to put some into the ore factory. So already a few dust will be prepared. Let's say 4 stacks for now. And I will take out the iron ore. That magnetite now has the priority. Okay. So first I will build the other side now. I will also need, this is how much? 4. So 4 by 9 of these blue tanks. Okay. That was already perfect. And then the next step is the mechanical. I first need to make one more. I didn't save that. Then pick up items from here. Put them in there. And now I still need to give it power. Not like that. Okay. Oh, no more. Why? Okay, good. And the water, of course. We'll bring it along here. And I need to place at least one steam engine to make it a steam boiler. But I will just make 9 already and put them on top. Okay, I want them to face this way. Chain. Nope, not that way. They should connect, yeah. Ah, no, they don't, because that is one too low. Yeah, now they also connect. And then with the rest. Come on. Good. Then they should all have charcoal, yeah. Turn on all of them. That's perfect. Okay. Now, right, I have a problem that there's a bit too less water, so I will make one of the upgrades. If I have conveyor, no, I don't have any. Okay, then for now I keep it like that. And then as soon as I have one upgrade, I will put one here. And I also need another one for the storage drawer. Okay. And I need to put 8 more on the other side. Again, I put them too low. Oh, come on. I need the jet boots so badly. Okay, and that's the other one. Okay, good. Then I just need to connect these up. Put put a conveyor, not conveyor, the chain drive to the top, and basically give the roof power. So, but I probably need way more granite. I will just build a bit of the building and the rest once I got the jet boots. Maybe this height can be the roof. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, where's the middle? There. That did not work. And also I actually need more of these. Actually, I can just... Oh, I can't. Alright. Like that. And that is basically the roof. More granite. I should actually automate that, because I will use granite and diorite a lot for building. So before I continue, packager, link, okay. That's the supply. Granite. Pebbles. These don't really need to be named, but just for seeing immediately what they provide. Factory gauges. So, granite pebbles to granite, then these two first. These two granite, then they do polished granite. And yeah, I think polished granite. Make a stack of that. Make 4 stacks of that. Okay, but to continue the top area, now I need the carbon brushes and the magnetite block. Alright, I got that here already. And then immediately after making the first small setup, I will make these here. For that I need first this basic energizer, then immediately upgrade them again. Then some wire. First just this for powering the energizer, and then immediately just use that. And also connectors. Connectors I should already automate. Quite a lot are required. I will just put here nuggets and then andesite alloy. From these ingots, make some nuggets. Just 9 is enough. I think they're not needed for anything else. And then here the connectors. But these I will have at least 10. Then 1 carbon brush. Okay, no magnetite dust, but that's okay. 1 of the energizers. And a copper plate in the wire mill. Okay, easy data. Then I just need some of the magnetite dust. Oh, that's a good amount. And none of these blocks are wasted. I can just make a lot because they will be used here in the fluctuated magnetite. I think the other ones are basically, yeah, they will not be used anymore. Only the diamond version basically, and this simple one. A rotational speed controller plus a large wheel. I think it's not making any more components because there's no more wood. Oh. Still probably filling up the barrel here. Yeah. Okay. So speed controller goes here, not like that. There's the vertical gearbox. Like that. Then I just extend this platform a bit. Rest will be built later with the jet boots. Okay, then this can go immediately to 256. Make it a bit higher. Wait, how? I think one more, actually. Because... Brush... No. What was the rotor, right? What was the counterpart? Generator coil. Okay. Wait, first I have to actually do that. Generator coil. These should be... Yeah, I think that's the correct height because block goes here. Yeah. I will make one here in between. This goes here. And then you can just right click. Oh, that was too much. 12 only per coil. Okay, 9,000 stress units are being used right now, and we have like 280,000 or something. So we won't having any issues with stress units, even with these. So first thing is this energizer here. For that I left the space here. Gearbox. Put that one here. Then the first connector with the wire that should have been made. Yeah. No, I needed 2 connectors and not just one. So one goes here, one goes here. And this should, yeah, this should have energy. That means I need one more depot. And so 4, 1, gold 4, diamond 1. A 1,300. Okay, now let's upgrade this. So 2 diamonds and 2 of the gold one. I don't need the plate version, no. Okay. Okay. It's going to store a lot of power, but make the process of making these charged versions of the gold and diamond very fast. Yeah. That's already that. And the diamonds. No more energy right now. Okay. Then break all the magnetite ones and immediately replace them. Now 1000 already. Okay, but I need more gold and more diamonds. Oh, what is happening here? Oh, clock to the crowd. Oh, what is happening? Why the repackager cannot repack some of the granite? Okay, seems like now it's going. Maybe I should put a bigger chest here. Like 2 normal chests instead of a barrel. I think actually before making more of these, I also need to paralyze the repackager somehow. Because that seems like not that fast. Okay. I will just already replace that. Oh no, I knew it. But that's okay. Next time I take the packages out before breaking the chest. Okay, I think that was all of them. Okay, it's going. But so many of these are stuck. Oh no, I put one inside. I will just wait once this process is done. And then clean up. Okay, but first, diamonds. I wanted to get some diamonds. Like 2 stacks should be enough. And I also need to make some electrum. Can I craft that? No. I need the alloy. Yeah, I need the alloy smelter. So anyway, I need to make the alloy smelter first. Oh, first I need to check on the ore processing to get more magnetite. There is no more charcoal in here. Is there... Oh, this one is also not running. Also out of charcoal, okay. I need to take out some wood from here. Once the barrel is full there. But this should definitely produce enough wood for keeping these both running, plus having stuff for charcoal and crafting. I forgot. I need to go here. Then gold. Make a stack. First make half a stack. Then one more generator coil. I think anyway this cable cannot transfer more than 1000. So I'm already gonna make diamond cables with 24 of these before crafting the next coils. Okay, these take quite a lot of time. Good, just let them running. Okay. First the magnetite. Then these. More here. More there. Okay. And then the next one. But I think I needed more stone. So to make that faster, I'm just gonna anyway 16. Maybe I should actually increase that to 32. Or have at least 4 stacks. That's the wire. Good. Then actually still enough. So I think it's 1 to 4 forge energy to Gregtech electricity EU. Uh, yeah, so because I need to power this one here. 512, okay. But I wanna run a quad blast furnace setup, so I need the 16 amp version. And that is going to need 2000 at least. And then pretty soon the MB version, which needs 8000. So I should prepare for like at least this one now, and pretty soon that. Like have basically 3000 now, 2000 for the quad setup, and 1000 for the other machines. And later I have like 10,000 or 12,000 for MB. Okay. No more magnetite already? Yeah, okay. So I need to put more magnetite ore in here. Let's see how many. 7. That is enough for the other 4. Okay. So 2 coils are running now completely. 60,000 stress units are being used. And 2,500. Okay, that is good for everything I need now. Okay, I think this granite processing is causing a lot of trouble. That is quite bad. I will just dump everything back to the storage here. Ah no, actually they will be put out back to the packager here. But maybe that fixed the issue now. Maybe these I will also just redo. Okay, I will have to monitor that. But first now I need to make the alloys metal. To get the electrum and to build the redstone flux cell. I need more of these. Barrel I already got. And the packager. Where's the... yeah. Okay, and report, packager, alloy smelter. For this one, I'm going to build another wall here again, because there will be few recipes I need. First, type it here. Then build the wall here. And sign. Alloy smelter. Then factory gauges. Silver dust and gold dust will be electrum ingots. I will use the dust version, not the ingot version of the input ingredients, because later the electric ore factory will be hooked up to the system and will keep one of the colossal chests full of various dusts. Make like 10 of these. And now some silver dust. I have some silver ingots. Okay, I will make some dust with these for now. I can quickly do that with a mortar, I think. Okay. Then for these here I need the lead plates and electron plates. Lead plates can be made with the crate bender, and the electron plates cannot be made with the crate bender, so like steel need to be made with the bending machine. Where's the steel one? Ah, okay. I separated these. No, I don't need that actually. I want to have the entire bending setup over here. So here can be the rectech ones, and here will be the crate ones. I think anyway not so many crate bending recipes are left that are possible. Okay, the lead plate was possible with create. Make like 8 of these. Then I have to redo the steel ones. $32, okay. And here the... Oh, the LS meter is actually working, that's good. In the bender and also 8. That means I should now be able to make this one. I need one redstone block. And can I already make the... This one here I can probably make already with some gold rods. So put some of the gold ingots into the lathe. Electrum plates are being made. And actually I can stop that now. How many? 75 are enough for the entire base. Problem is these have a limit of 8000 FE per tick. So from the MPH on I need to put multiple energy cells for the multi-blocks because they will draw more power than these will be able to supply from the main power storage over there. And the plan is actually for the power storage to be put here, like so. Power transfer, I mean. Maybe I do something like this. I don't know if the range is gonna be enough. Right, I forgot the range is pretty short for these. How far can I... Okay, and this probably is also too far away, yeah. Never mind then. These will be going under the base. I will... Okay, here I still have... Yeah. I will do it like... one of these. I'm already gonna put 2 cables from there, because then I have enough power to separate the blast furnace and the other machines from each other. And then let's see how far they can go until here. Okay, connect. Then in the center, maybe I'm going to put glowstone, just to light the area up. Okay. Then okay, this much. Oh, okay. Dann nicht. And here as well. Put some glowstone. And I will do like, once it's red, I go to back. Okay. And here are some of the crate machines. I will do just one more. Brake tech machines, I meant. Like here. And then here. Glowstone. No. Good. Then next, craft one of the cells. An alloy smelter, them together. Yeah, I can just pick that up here. And I should also make this one immediately. Silver plates, okay. Once I have the ore factory automated here, I will also automate silver. What's the distance now to here? And this just before, okay. So then, okay, this has to go here. height should I make it? Huh? I just make it here. Is that enough? Yeah, that's enough. Connector. Oh, these don't connect to the side. Oh, that means one more. Like that. And 3 in between. Okay. And then over here goes the power storage. So I'll connect maybe one cell, just one cell is enough. Then connectors. Which one was, I think, yeah, that was input. So I want this one should be input, of course. Then on the other side is an output. But then here too. No. This one here. And then this one, and the top one can be input. Which one is this? This one is. Okay. I should actually build 2 cells, but I will just start with one for now. And then this should fill it up with power, yeah. Okay, then the first upgrade now to increase it to 4000. And then I need the assembler. Okay, first I need to make the assembler and then I can make the next one. Okay, but that is power. Enough power for running a blast furnace, at least. Not the quadruple blast furnace setup, but one for the beginning. And like I said, the rest of this structure here I will build when I have the jet boots, because at least the walls I can build a bit better. Or maybe actually I can already close everything. enough blocks anymore. Okay, one was missing. Okay, once I have more granite, I will just build the rest as well. And here the entrance, like so. And I will build some layers for now, but yeah, I will just go up like this, and then yeah, I will remove these as soon as I have the jet boots. Just so now that I can close this here. Okay. Okay. So before I started this project, I was limited by the rubber I had to continue with the LV setup. But now I should actually make more. Now the latex production is full here again. Alright, I wanted to make charcoal. Okay. That is good. Is the granite now? No. Okay. One sec, I need to fix that. Instead of sending them back again to the crafter, I will just delete these for now. This is not repacking any of these inside. So all of them okay, 1 second, I'm gonna stop this for now and clean everything up. That was the last one. And clean this one up. Charcoal. Make some blocks. Alright. Then let's go and make a stack of that. Okay, these were inside here. But I want 4 of these now. Since I now have a larger buffer here, maybe they don't get stuck. Let's see. Okay, make more magnetite. And just a bit more steel. I think that's enough for now anyway, because I'm gonna make the blast furnace pretty soon, the electric blast furnace. And then I don't need this one anymore anyway. First priority though is the rubber setup. LV rubber setup. This should be the last time I need to do this. Okay. Then some sulfur. 27, I think that's maybe not enough. Times 3, yeah, not enough. But I have more of the tiny piles here. Okay. Is this one not getting stuck? And they are being made. Okay. Okay, get the 51 out. Probably a lot of crafting will start immediately now. Yeah, for making... Ah no, these I deactivated for now. Okay, no, it will just fill up. That is good because... First of all, I can remove this. This one not yet. This one also not yet. This one can be gone. This I maybe need more, but I need this one. The centrifuge, then the chemical reactor, and the fluid solidifier. Because I still need to make the rubber plates. These rubber sheets. Okay. So make some wrought iron. No more. I hope I just put more already in here. Yes, that's good. This time I won't be using that for making more steel. But yeah, just put all of them in here. Can I make this one? Yes. That means all 4 circuits are used up and a lot of crafting will start. But everything automated. Just need to wait. Alright, tin cables are also used now. So then I'm gonna build the... I'm gonna quickly build a layout for this. So now what I will build this here, and what I will also use now is the mod I added, the bottler, because I will store the glue inside a tank. Glue is being used making resistors and the circuit boards. Then the rubber pulp in the chemical reactor that makes the liquid rubber, which is put into the fluid solidifier to make the sheets, but also into a tank, which then will be used by the liquid crafting system to make wires. Alright, so I will use that for the machines, basically. I will have the sticky resin incoming here, so no, a bit more here. Sticky resin, this one will face into the machine. I can actually already put the machine there, because I have the centrifuge already. And the next step is output the glue. Output the glue into the fluid tank. I will make a fluid tank over here. I will just make it too high for now. And then one of these bottlers should be going here, providing the glue to the system. Then next is a drawer. Where's this one? One drawer should be going here. These will receive plant bolts. And the item pipe that is transferring these out from the centrifuge should be going here to a chemical reactor. I write this one, I don't have yet. It should be going here to the chemical reactor. And this one as well needs a fluid tank for the rubber liquid output. That will be supplied with a bottler to the system, but also here to a fluid solidifier that will be outputting the rubber sheets to this drawer. With a downgrade though, because a stack of rubber sheets should be enough. I need more of the liquid rubber than the rubber sheets. And then this one here still needs sulfur. So output from here. Actually, problem is I don't have the filters yet for this one. I think for the filters I need to make these click on the block to set destination. Right. So then I will actually use the Tom simple storage here. With the exporters. But then I need to put 2 exporters on the chemical reactor. Actually, I will do this with laser IO. Because laser IO, I'm planning to use laser IO for the bit more complicated automation setups. Especially also for the clean room. So I want to automate these parts as well. But only like local laser IO, not using these here to transfer items all over the base, because that would like destroy the purpose of using these chain conveyors. Only small local processing factories are allowed with laser IO. Okay, I need these for that, this, and I think, yeah, some gold nuggets. I need the item cards and the filters. And for these I need to, okay, then these I need to craft manually. Make some now. Okay. Then crafting these should be very easy. Just take all. So I need to make gold nuggets. I didn't make these yet, right? No. Make like 18. I need the quartz block. Make that over here. Oh. Oh, did I? I did not. I knew it. Then I have to get the... Yeah, already starting here. But anyway, they have timer, and that means they will just reset And be crafted again. Any more incoming ones? Yeah, here. But it's fine. I think these were it, maybe? Okay. Then that's... And clay. Clay is here already. Okay, so I can now craft the raw logic chips. From that, from that, from the clay, and I think redstone. Yeah. The crafter, and make 8 of these. Then these need to be into the crate smelter. Four to 4 smelter. No. Stop. These ones here. 4 to 4 smelter. Okay. Then once these are done, they will be used by the laser connector and the laser node. So that one needs glass. I have glass here. I do not have glass yet here. Then I will put it there. I also need the glass panes. Okay, I will need to make these manually. Same as glass. I cannot just smelt the glass dust. I will wait for the arc furnace for that. Okay. Glass dust. I just make a bit more glass then for now. And also cut more glass panes. More factory gauges. So the first thing, these here, made from glass, logic chips, redstone and iron. Redstone and iron. After make make 3 maybe, and then based on these, the laser nodes. What else? Iron as well. Okay. Very cheap. Make 4 of this one as well then. And maybe here just 4. But keep 8 of these always. And then next thing, lapis and the gold nugget. So lapis and the filter. Redstone, nugget, lapis, and redstone, and this one, and quartz. make this one just 2 is fine. And filters as well. This will immediately make 4, that's good. Iron bars. And the rest is already there. Okay. These are already done, that's good. We have the item cards. Yep, that's all that I need. Okay, be right back, I need to go toilet. Okay, I'm back. So, then let's get the sulfur from like a requester over here. And then laser. So here is the reactor, chemical reactor. Here will be the output of these items. Here the sulfur, then here goes the plant bolt. And that is it, I think. The wrench, I did not make the wrench yet, okay. So this one goes, no, this one goes here and here. This one goes just here. Yeah, that's it. And then some fluid output going to the solidifier and the tank. And underneath here, I will put the soul infused wire for the power. Which I can already do now. Okay. The wire cutter out. And then I also need... Did I make any 4 amp? No. I need one of the energy converters. Connect it here. And then if everything is set up correctly, this should now already have power. Okay. This looks kind of bad, but... No, I can't leave it like that. I've just put one more level below. And then put the die right back. Okay. And let's see, can I make the chemical reactor? Centrifuge I did. I cannot, but I can make this one and then the reactor. Why not? Less I should have, right? Yeah. Okay, I will check the crafting board, the factory gauges board. What's missing? Motors are there. Circuit is just one because there are no more vacuum tubes. But yeah, that's still a problem now because I can't make these without the extruder, the steel bolts, so I sometimes have to make this then manually. Okay, so I also need to set up the sulfur crafting because the rubber process needs sulfur dust and I only have these tiny piles of sulfur right now. Once the ore factory is going, then some of the crushed ores have sulfur as byproducts, so then this one here is not required anymore. But for now I wanna have always a stack of these. And I don't have anything anymore. Why? It was still in here, okay. Okay, the chemical reactor should be... I should be able to make that now. This one is going here then. Yeah, this one is going here. Extract. Then the test, I will already put some of the sticky resin. And of course the fluids should be output here to the fluid tank. Blue. Nice. Then the raw rubber pulp. I need item modules, item cards, and filter. I think I need more. So I need just an extractor that goes in here. And then an inserter for rubber. And also for sulfur. Because of this one here. It's also going to be connected. Here. And extractor here. So this should already put the raw rubber in here. That's good. And the plant board is not being extracted because we need one more item card with an insert filter for the plant boards. That will be here. Alright. I'm gonna lock this one just in case. Good. Then now a request for sulfur should deliver a few sulfur dusts. And when they're inside here, I forgot to put an extractor item card. Alright. That's the liquid rubber. Next is the fluid solidifier. This one here, and I need 2 LV pumps. Okay. I need 4 rubber rings. And a lot of these. Actually, put them in the lathe to make screws. Okay. And I can make a few more of these. Tin 2 is enough for now. And the bronze pipes. Okay, rubber is in here, that's good. Where were the... There. Pumps. And of course one more casing. Now of course I need these. Didn't I just... Oh, because they will be used to make some other products. Okay. And that's the fluid solidifier, which is outputting their products to the oak drawer, which should be the rubber sheets, and I think I need the ingot mold or something. Plate, yeah. put some sulfur here again. I don't actually have any more rubber. So where's the sulfur? I just put ore in here for now. Then this one here needs another bottler. I also need to automate these rock boards. This is supply glue. This is supply rubber or liquid rubber. And these three things will be connected to the network for the fluids and for the plant bore. Okay, this is running, and I can also hear this one. And here are the rubber sheets. Perfect. Everything is going. No more latex production required. Okay, another packager. Actually two. One goes here for the plant board, but I will first connect the rubber sheets. Supply rubber sheet. And put the storage link. Okay, good. Then right, this one also storage link. And I will connect them here. No, that's too far away. Stop. Let's supply plant ball, but the supply will be always very low. Not so many are being made here. Plant ball can be used for making biochaff, which then can be used for making biomass. These will be ethanol and required for ethylene to make polyethylene later. Pretty soon, actually, here. Nah, actually not yet required for anything. Yeah, okay, I don't need to worry about that yet. Okay, rubber sheets are also filling up. Then, okay, the bottleneck is only this machine, but that is fine for now. I now need to still request the sulfur and the sticky resin. So, request sticky resin. Then put a factory gauge here with the sticky resin. It says 19 are in there. That is correct, and I always want 10 to be in there, and they should be requested via this frog port. Same here. But it's request sulfur. And none are inside here. I could have moved this to here. to save. 1 second, I wanna try something if the frogpot can reach the distance to here. Nah, okay. It's fine. I've built it this way now. Then let's say always keep like 5 inside. They will be immediately moved to here until the stack of sulfur is full. And yeah, request with this one. Okay. I think I don't have any sulfur in the system. Yeah. I need to actually turn on the dust sieving. I can actually also make an upgrade now. Invar plates. Oh, right, I need to automate invar plates too. Okay. But for one running sieve, I think it's fine. That is very good. So that's rubber and glue automated. Next, I will build a few assemblers over here. And the first one is going to be an assembler for cables. So I'm planning to build it similar like this, but one bottler on the side of the assembler basically. And this bottler is going to keep a small amount of liquids in stock for the assembler, so that the recipe is like without the liquid component, and just going to deliver the cable into the assembler. The assembler is full of rubber at any time and can make cables automatically. Same goes for the glue. There will be an assembler for glue, and then all the components, basically the resistors and the resin printed circuit boards, can be made in there. So I will make that over here, or actually I will use this side for that. Just extend it a little bit. Oh no. Okay. So I will, I think, just connect the output of these to here. So I don't need to build another one. But the first one, let's say on this one here is the, let's say I will put it here. One more back maybe. Then a bottler. This one has the this one fluid gauge. Wait. No way. Like, of course I tested that in a creative world, so I didn't craft these. Okay. 1 second, I'm gonna search something. Great factory logistics. Are there any issues with the fluid mechanism? Haha. Mechanism. Okay, I can't really find any people who have similar problems. Haha. Maybe the crafting works, but it just doesn't show the recipe or something? Like, is there a way to find out how to craft these? Okay. Let me try something. Mechanism. Yeah, that's pretty annoying. I'm checking the GitHub repository right now of the mod. If I can find the recipe. Recipes there. Sequenced assembly, a fluid mechanism. Okay, deploy the cogwheel on the incomplete fluid mechanism and a fluid pipe and a gold nugget. Okay. Let's try something. Depot. And deploy. Oh, right, I don't have deployer. Okay, I'm just gonna make them like this now. I hope this works. This has to work. Ah, come on. What are you doing? What is this? Why it doesn't automatically place this correctly? Okay. Copper plate. Then the first thing is a cogwheel. Then a fluid pipe. Then a gold nugget. That doesn't look so good. Ah, wait, maybe the... Um... Do I need to like change the mode? Use. Or maybe the other, maybe first the gold nugget? No. Mm-hmm. The great sequenced assembly, where a copper sheet is turned into the incomplete. But that doesn't work. Huh? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna end this stream here for now. I'm gonna have to search how to fix this because otherwise the entire process doesn't make any sense if I can craft these. Okay. Well, see you later then once I got this problem solved. Bye bye.